So the basic idea of means when the resonance is produced. Okay. So you should remember that resonance is produced when the imaginary impedance okay. So how to solve this type of question? First you will have to calculate the uh, impedance. Okay, how to calculate the impedance means combination of all these. How to calculate? These two are in parallel. 20 plus J10 parallel to this one, correct? And after that, this combination is in series with this one, 30 plus Jx. Okay. So now what will happen? You will have to calculate this one first, then you have to calculate means sum the answer with this one. Okay. So for simplicity, what you will have to do? Again, two things are in parallel. I told you already two impedances are in parallel. How to solve it? Multiply these first. 20 plus 10j and 10 minus 3j. And then divide and sum it. 20 plus 10j plus 10 minus 3j. Okay, then plus 30 plus jx. We won't touch it now. First we will solve this particular part only. Now if you multiply it, what you will get? I will do it fast. 200 minus 600j.
30 J there.
Huh? Okay, this one na?
In second part, 30 J.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Good. This one. Okay, I think it is correct now. So if you calculate it, yeah, 30 was there. No? So plus 100j minus 300 j square divided by 30 minus 20j, correct? Plus 30 plus jx, correct? Now what is there? It is okay. Solve it. It is means j square is what? Plus. So you can write it 200 minus 300 j square means it is minus 1. J square is equal to minus 1. So it is 300 plus 200, it is 500. You can write directly minus 500 j, correct? Upon 30 minus 20 j plus 30 plus jx, correct? So now what you will do? Okay, cut the 0 0. So 50 minus 50j divided by 3 minus 2j plus 30 plus jx, correct? So what will be there? Yes, so one thing is, now you can do what? You can actually yeah, solve it again like 3 minus 2j is the LCM. So 50 minus 50j plus 30 plus jx multiplied by what? 3 minus 2j, correct? Okay. So now if you multiply it, let us multiply it one again, one by one. So solve it. If I make any calculation mistake, please prompt me. Plus 90 minus 60j, correct? Plus 3jx minus 2xj square. I think it is correct. If any problem is there, please tell me. 3 minus 2j. So now 50 plus 90. 50 plus 90 is what? 140. Okay. 50j minus 60j. Okay, minus 50j minus 60j. So it is minus 110j. Then 3jx plus 2x. Okay, I think it is correct. So divided by 3 minus, okay, so 3 minus 2j. So now if you solve it, what you will get? Now, okay, the primary concern is, like this type of question, the primary concern is to take the imaginary part separately. Okay, so first let us solve it again. So 140 plus 2x, correct? Plus 3jx. Okay, do one thing. Take j out. So 3x minus 110 upon 3 minus 2j. Okay. Now you can see any complex number when you solve, if this type of if this type of term comes, j is above and j is in the middle. So you should always remove this j from the denominator. How to do that? 140 plus 2x plus j 3x minus 110 divided by 3 minus 2j. Correct? So what you will have to do here now? Multiply it by 3 plus 2j and divide it by 3 plus 2j. So what will happen? In the denominator, a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. Okay. And in the above terms, you should multiply. It will take some time. This type of questions are a little bit lengthy but easy. So please pay attention to the calculation. If you have made any calculation mistake, then you will not be able to resolve the question because already lot of time would have been consumed. Okay. So what we will do is slowly we will multiply. Okay, the time is already about to be over, but no, don't worry, I will take extra 2 or 3 minutes. So 140 into 3 is what? 420 plus 2x into 3 is what? 6x plus this is what? J into 3x is 9x minus 330j. Okay. So somebody please try to follow. If I made any mistake, then tell me. Plus 280j. Now 2j is being multiplied with all the terms plus 4jx. Now these two will be multiplied. I will write it like this: 2j square, then 3x minus 110. Okay. So if you solve it, what you will get? Minus 2, 3x minus 110 and minus 6x plus 220. Okay, so I will write this directly so to save the time. Okay, instead of this I will write माइनस का 6x plus 220. Okay, this is just the output of the calculation. So now 420 plus 220, what it is? 640, correct? 6x minus 6x, so these two are cancelled out. Okay, 9jx plus 4jx, what it is? 13jx. Okay, these are complete. Now minus 330j, 250, so minus 50j divided by 3 square means 9 plus 4. Okay. So what it is? 640 plus j 13x minus 50 divided by 30. Correct? So what it is? So 13x minus 50 divided by 13. Now you should, so this is your impedance. Okay, for now I will remove it. This is your impedance. So for resonance, you will have to put it as imaginary part as 0. So what is the imaginary part of it? Okay. So this is the imaginary part, 13x zero. Imaginary part of impedance is equals to 0. So 13x minus 15 upon 13 is equals to 0. 13x minus 50 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 50 upon 13. Okay. So what was asked in the question? It was asked the value of x which produces resonance. Okay. So this is your answer. Put the imaginary part of input impedance. Okay. For resonance.